any of our saved contacts can be designated as an emergency contact on an iPhone. Doing this will list those contacts within your medical ID, which we will get to shortly. Emergency contacts will also automatically receive a message when the Emergency SOS function on your iPhone is used. This can be activated by either pressing the side button 5 times quickly or holding and releasing the side and volume buttons simultaneously. From here, in Contacts on the iPhone, we can add anyone as an emergency contact. We get the option to designate how they are related. I'll set Lucas as a friend. That then displays my medical ID information. We can see here Lucas is now set as an emergency contact. Tap the checkmark to save, and in Contacts, he gets the medical icon next to his name, showing that he is set as an emergency contact. This is the number that will be contacted if I have an emergency. Now, let's jump into the Health app. From my profile here, we can access and edit our medical ID. Tap Edit, and we can add emergency contacts from here as well. I'll add Lisa. If you need to remove an emergency contact, that can be done here also. Having a medical ID set up with the relevant information can be important in case of an emergency. If emergency access is enabled for your medical ID, first responders will be able to access this information from the Emergency button on your iPhone. This appears on the number pad screen when the iPhone is locked. Even without a passcode, anyone can tap Emergency to make an emergency call or view your medical ID, which can list things like your medical history, blood type, allergies, and more.